I mean, my outfit doesn't look like something that someone who's gonna talk about purses would be wearing. So let's try and cinch that up or something, make it look less weird. Nah, still weird. Hi there, welcome back to my channel, friends, pals, buddies. I just came back from a walk, which is why I look a little bit sweaty, a little greasy. But what was waiting on my doorstep is my new purse. I am very excited because I don't buy bags that often, and I saw this one online and kept kind of checking in on it. I actually went to the store and tried to see this in person, but they don't carry it in their physical stores. You have to, it's, I guess, an online exclusive. So I decided to order it because if I don't like it, I can always return it. They said I have 30 days. So let's unbox this together. I'm excited to see what the color looks like in person because online it was, I don't know, mildly deceiving. It was hard to tell how vivid it's gonna be. So let's get into it. So just like in the store, they put it in tissue paper and do a whole thing. Just nice. Some padding so it doesn't shift around. A nice bag. I see that they're now kind of like a cottony material. I have other ones that are a little bit more shiny, so that's fun. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. And here she is in all her glory. This is called, what is this one called? What is the actual style name? Turnlock clutch. I think that's what that says. Turnlock clutch. So I'm going to take the stuffing out so that we can take a look. I mean, my outfit doesn't look like something that someone who's going to talk about purses would be wearing. So let's try and cinch that up or something, make it look less weird. Nah, still weird. Here she is. This is the Turnlock clutch. It is more of a denim-y kind of blue, and what I think online they don't do a great job of showing is that there's actually kind of like a slight ombre. Sweet baby Jesus, these tags.
Stop! Stay! Get out!
Okay, so what they don't, I think, show well on the website is that there's like a slight gradient. Like the edges here are a little darker than the leather up here. And the same is true on the back. You actually kind of, I think, notice it more on this back panel. And that it has this kind of darker part here. It fades to a normal color and then kind of gets darker on the edges again, which is kind of a cool effect, actually. That being said, this bag has shipped from Coach with a few flaws. I don't know if it's enough for me to want to return it, given that it is a smooth leather and it's going to have its own issues after I start wearing it. But as you can kind of see, it's marked here from shipment. And then on the front, there are like 2 spots that, yeah, so there's like a little, it's gonna be hard to probably see it, but there's like a little spot right there. You can kind of see it, yeah, right here. And one right there. And I noticed the 2 front ones right away the second I opened up the bag. So I'm gonna see if this is something that's gonna bother me. Inside you have a pocket right here, which I haven't taken the little foam part, but it's like a very large, generous pocket right here in the front. You could put your phone there easily. There's a little kind of credit card sized slot right there, and then a big zip on the back. And it's fully lined inside with leather, which is kind of nice. And then on the back, there's also a very large, generous pocket that you could easily slide any sized cell phone into. The strap also removes right here. It slides through these tabs, and so then you can truly use it instead of a crossbody as like a handheld clutch. So overall, it's a very cool design. I really like this color. I'm just a little annoyed that this particular bag has arrived slightly damaged, or like not up to the quality that I expect when I buy something from Coach. Because I have purchased one other bag directly from the website, and that was a pink one, which I can show you right now. This leather is pretty hard wearing. I mean, I've had this and I've worn this continuously. I mean, obviously I haven't gone a lot of places last year because like we couldn't, but when I went to the grocery store, when I was carrying groceries, when I was doing anything, I would be wearing this bag because it fits my cell phone, it fits a small wallet, it fits your keys. Sometimes you can even fit like a little compact mirror in here, but it's got a lot of room. And so I would wear this all the time. And as you can see, it's like not really any markings on it. Like I haven't done anything. And so the fact that this brand new one in the same exact leather is arriving with these markings on it, like I just know that I wouldn't have done this on the bag myself probably for like 2-3 years. I mean, because this pink one is a year old and it doesn't have any kind of marks, whereas this one came pre-marked, and that kind of bothers me. So there's a good chance I'm gonna take this and exchange it in store, like return this one, have them order me another one, just because I don't know. When you spend, I mean, this thing cost a ton of money. Like it wasn't cheap. I'm gonna have to find my receipt. This purse out the door, it doesn't tell you taxes and everything, but the sticker price on this bag is $395, which is not super expensive, but it's not super cheap either. And for nearly $400, I expect this to not come flawed already, you know? So the more I talk to myself and you guys, the more I think I'm probably going to exchange this and kind of point out that there's like little markings and it came, you know, slightly damaged. I do really enjoy this bag, and I'm definitely going to get another one and keep that one should there be no issues, because like the profile on it is very slim. I like that you can take this long strap off and not wear it as a crossbody. I like that you can put on the smaller one and then just wear it as like a single strap on the shoulder instead of a crossbody. This handle's nice. I mean, you can't really get your arm through it, but like if you're out and about and you just kind of need to get this on your arm, you could easily get this on your arm and it'll stay there to like allow you to have two free hands. I would recommend it. The style is very cool. I think you could easily wear this with just a jeans and t-shirt. You can wear this for summer. You can wear this year round. This color I think would go with a lot of stuff. So if you have any darker clothes, this will be like your little pop of color. If you're wearing something lighter, this will complement it very nicely. So I would say if you're in the market for a smaller clutch that will still hold a wallet, your cell phone, your keys, probably sunglasses, this is a good way to go. Yeah, so that's it. I think talked enough about a purse. This isn't really like a review channel, so I don't quite know what to say. Plus the dump truck just arrived, so it's gonna get loud. So I'm gonna sign off here. Comment below if you have this bag. Comment below if you've also received a flawed bag from Coach before. I really like the brand. I have a lot of them, and you know, overall I'm not worried about the quality of these bags. They hold up well. I think this one just happened to be damaged from the factory. So like, comment, subscribe, etc. All those other YouTube things YouTubers say, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, bye.